Hello students, in previous part we have studied about the chloroplast, and in this part we will discuss about another cell organelles called ribosomes. Ribosomes, these are discovered by Palade in 1953. Ribosomes are the organelles which do not contain any membrane bounded, यानी they do not bounded with any membrane. The ribosomes is made up of two subunits. Ribosomes are made up of two subunit. राइबोसोम्स होते हैं दो सब यूनिट से मिलकर बने होते हैं. वन सब यूनिट इज लार्ज, दैट इज डोम लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, एंड द अदर सब यूनिट इज स्मॉल, विच इज एम्बेडेड या विच इज स्टिक्ड एट द लार्ज सब यूनिट इन ए कैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. वन सब यूनिट is large in size, which is a dome like structure, and the another one is a small subunit which is present at large subunit in a cap like structure. There are two types of ribosomes, 70S and 80S. There are two types of ribosomes, 70S and 80S. S stand for sedimentation coefficient or Swedberg unit. S stands for sedimentation coefficient or it also known as Swedberg unit. 70S type ribosome present in prokaryote, whereas 80S ribosome present in eukaryote. 70S ribosomes present in prokaryote or two cell organelles such as mitochondria or plastid. Two cell organelles, mitochondria or plastids, whereas 80S ribosomes present in eukaryote or eukaryotic cell. 80S ribosomes is made up of one large unit that contains 60S and small subunit is 40S. 80S ribosomes has the two subunits, large, which is a dome-like structure, that contain 60S ribosome, and the small which is a cap-like structure which form when it attached to the large subunit 40S. In the concentration of magnesium ion, as the magnesium ion concentration increases in the cytoplasm, both the subunits stick at one each other. Both the subunits are sticked with each other as the magnesium ions concentration increases in cytoplasm. Means small subunit stick at the large subunit. This type. This one is the 60S ribosome and this one is 40S ribosome. Both makes the 80S ribosomes. 20S ribosome decreases due to the overlapping of small subunit with the large subunit, and it makes the cap-like structure. Same as in 70S ribosomes, there are also two subunits. Large one is 50S and small one is 30S. 70S ribosomes also contain large and small subunit. Large one contain 50S ribosomes and small one is 30S ribosomes. In the presence of concentration magnesium ion in prokaryote, both the subunits are attached with each other and make a dome or a cap-like structure, just like this one. Small subunit and the large subunit. It contains 50S, this one 30S, and it forms 70S type ribosomes. 70S ribosome present in prokaryote, whereas 80S ribosome present in eukaryote. 70S ribosome also present in two cell organelles such as mitochondria or plastids. Function of the ribosome in both eukaryote, whether the cell is eukaryote or prokaryote, similar, to synthesize the protein. Function. What is the function of ribosome? Whether the cell is eukaryote or prokaryote, it synthesizes the protein. Synthesize the protein. But this is the necessary condition. Both the ribosome, both the subunits are attached. When both the subunits are separated from each other, they do not synthesize any protein. Means सबयूनिट यदि सिंथेसाइज इस प्रकार से अटैच तो होगी तो प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज करेगी, लेकिन जैसे ही मैग्नीशियम की कंसंट्रेशन डिक्रीज हो जाए तो उसके कारण से दोनों सब यूनिट क्या होंगे, सेपरेट होंगे। सेपरेट सब यूनिट कभी भी प्रोटीन का सिंथेसाइज नहीं करते। क्लियर?